The Nano Puff Vest is a windproof, water-resistant, and packable core warmer for shoulder season, at the crag or in the backcountry. The shell is made from 100% recycled polyester ripstop, with a durable water-repellent finish that glides smoothly over and under layers. The signature brick quilting pattern and horizontal quilt lines on the sides stabilize the PrimaLoft Gold Insulation Eco, a 100% post-consumer recycled polyester that is incredibly lightweight, highly compressible, and produced using reduced emissions. The center front zipper has a moisture-wicking interior storm flap and a zipper garage at the chin for next-to-skin comfort when things get cold or drizzly. 2 zippered hand warmer pockets keep small goods close at hand, and the internal zippered chest pocket doubles as a stuff sack with a reinforced carabiner loop. The drawcord adjustable drop-tail hem seals in warmth. The Nano Puff Vest is Fairtrade certified sewn and certifiably your new favorite for nighttime bouldering sessions, springtime ski tours, and anytime you need windproof, packable warmth, even when wet.